Ever wish tracking every action across your Endpoint Central Cloud server was effortless? Well, now it is, with Microsoft Sentinel integration through Logic Apps. To begin with, first ensure that the Logic App, Log Analytics Workspace, and API connection are created and active. Logic App automates workflows, Log Analytics Workspace collects and stores logs, and API connections securely link the Logic App with the workspace for seamless data flow. Check the description for resources and step-by-step guidance on creating these in Azure. Once everything is ready, log in to the Azure portal. Then navigate to Logic Apps and select the Logic App created for Endpoint Central Logs. Next, open the code view of the Logic App. Then, download the workflow definition from the resources linked in the description of this video and paste its content into the code view. Now, replace the API ID, API connection ID, and API connection name with your own details to connect the Logic App to your Log Analytics workspace. To fetch the audit logs, you'll need to configure the Endpoint Central Cloud Server URL along with the admin OAuth details. To generate the OAuth details, head over to the Endpoint Central API documentation, link in this video's description, and pick the appropriate Zoho Accounts Server URI and Developer Console based on your data center. Next, scroll to the OAuth token generation section and copy the post API listed under Generating Access and Refresh Token. We'll use this later to fetch the OAuth tokens. Once you've copied it, now. Sign into the Developer Console with your Endpoint Central admin credentials. Create a new self-client. Take note of the generated client ID and client secret. Next, generate an authorization code with the scope desktopcentralcloud.admin.read and keep it handy. Now open Postman tool, create a new post request, and paste the API you copied earlier. Or replace the placeholders with your account's URI, client ID, client secret, and the code you just generated. Once that's done, go ahead and send the request. Finally, copy the refresh token and you're all set. Now, switch back to your Logic App Code view. Update the server URL with your Endpoint Central Cloud server. Replace the client ID, client secret, and refresh token with the ones you generated earlier. Leave everything else as it is. Save the workflow. Once you have saved the Logic App Code, you can view the data flow in the Logic App Designer. At this stage, your Logic App will start fetching the audit logs automatically. By default, the Logic App retrieves the audit logs every 30 minutes. If you want to change this frequency, you can configure the dynamic interval under the Get User Input section by updating the interval and unit fields. Now, let's look at the interval and unit configuration for the workflow. This defines how often the Logic App fetches audit logs. M stands for minutes. For example, 5M runs every 5 minutes. H stands for hours, 1H runs every hour. D stands for days, 1D runs daily. W stands for weeks, 1W runs weekly. MO stands for months, 1MO runs monthly. You can set the interval between 5 minutes and 3 months based on your requirement. Now, to search the logs, head over to your Log Analytics workspace in the Azure portal. Select the workspace you created for the Logic App. Next, open Logs. From here, go to Tables and expand Custom Logs. Select the EC Cloud Audit table. That's it. You can now view and visualize all your audit log data right here. With Endpoint Central and Microsoft Sentinel together, you gain deeper visibility, stronger security, and smarter insights.